Welcome to Tech Bytes in News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into a spicy article, Software Fast Food. Get ready for some tech talk with a side of delicious cynicism. Let's go!
Ooh, I love a good tech debate. So this article compares software development to fast food and home-cooked meals? That's a novel approach.
Exactly. It's all about the contrasting approaches. Fast food development is all about speed, agile sprints, patching bugs constantly, adding dependencies like crazy. The whole shebang. Think hundreds of packages, thousands of lines of code from who knows where. It's a whirlwind of activity.
Sounds chaotic. Like building a house of cards, one gust of wind away from collapse. But the author says this is considered best practice? That's a bit unsettling.
Exactly. The author points out that this approach leads to massive tech debt. Every fix is a band-aid, every new feature a precarious addition. It's a constant struggle to keep the whole thing from falling apart. They even mention AI as a potential solution, which is both hilarious and terrifying.
Hilarious and terrifying is a perfect description. So the home-cooked approach is the opposite, right? Slow, deliberate, meticulously planned?
You got it. Think minimalist design, carefully written code, comprehensive documentation. The source of truth, as the author puts it. Fewer dependencies. Less chance of things breaking. It's like building a solid brick house instead of a card castle. But there's a catch.
Ah yes, the catch. I'm guessing it's time-consuming?
Incredibly so. The author estimates that 80% of the development time goes into upfront planning and specification. It's a huge investment, and you don't see any tangible results for a long time. It's a bit of a paradox, because you need to know what you're building before you build it. But how can you know without building it first? Agile development, in a way, solves this by letting you discover the spec as you go.
So it's a trade-off between speed and long-term stability. A fast, messy solution versus a slow, robust one. But the author seems to favor the home-cooked approach, right?
Yeah, definitely. They argue that most modern software feels bloated and trashy because of this fast food approach. They even talk about the satisfaction of using older, simpler software. A sense of serenity even. It's a nostalgic preference perhaps. But it highlights a real problem with the current state of software development.
I see. It's a critique of the move fast and break things mentality. A call for more thoughtful, sustainable software development. It's a fascinating perspective, and it makes you think about the long-term consequences of our choices. I mean, even the pyramids lasted thousands of years with no maintenance.
Exactly. The pyramids are the ultimate example of home-cooked software, aren't they? A testament to careful planning and execution. The article ends with a poignant question. Is the speed of fast food worth the long-term cost? It's a question we should all be asking ourselves. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this insightful discussion. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.